baby doll, you ready to get started? Am I ready to get started? Yeah, I'm ready to get started. All right. Bonjour, Gatkina, Awia. Hello, everybody. And welcome back to the show.
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today. To speak OJIBWE. Demon Wayne Dum G-A-I-on Homanun Goon in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Welcome back to the show.
Bonjour.
Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
The podcast.
about Ojibwe language
And culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show.